Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ecovacs Deebot with app camera permissions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure your Ecovacs Deebot with app camera permissions, first, ensure that your Deebot is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Ecovacs app on your smartphone. Log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, locate your Deebot in the app's main interface. Tap on your Deebot to access its settings. Look for the camera or camera permissions option within the settings menu. If this option is not visible, ensure that your Deebot model is compatible with camera features. When you find the camera settings, toggle the camera permissions to enable them. You may be prompted to grant the app permission to access your device's camera. Accept any permission requests that pop up on your screen. Next, ensure that your phone's location services are enabled, as this may be required for optimal app functioning. Return to the app and check for a confirmation message indicating that camera permissions are active. To test the camera, navigate back to your Deebot's interface and select the camera feature. If the camera activates, you have successfully configured the permissions. If you encounter issues, review the app's troubleshooting section for further assistance. Ensure your smartphone's operating system is updated, as outdated software can affect app performance. You are now ready to use your Ecovacs Deebot with camera functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.